This your message, I'm not come off until me tired of blood clots. Me cheesy, not come off until me tired. That's crazy. Shae, me know why you ramp with me a blood clots. Me don't know you from nowhere blood clot. I me never hold none and cross no road so cocky blood clot, y'all. I'ma know me and you know. Cause you ramp with blood clot me. Me go on bad thinking pussy little girl. Me want my bumbo clot money. Me want my bumbo clot money stinking pussy girl. When I read in a blood clot if you couldn't do the work, bitch. Why you never say you couldn't do the work? Hey, you know me for come out and I'm a chucky suit with that blood clot girl. And it's alright, I shall visit you. Don't care my blood clot money come and you see the judgment in a blood clot waste. Yeah, the judgment in the waste. If you don't care my money, come give me, girl. And my yard they come 2 times and I get 8, I get 12. 20 pieces of chicken. I'm gonna need it blood clot. Dirty blood clot Shae to out order. They eat Ivany for true because they don't like the people try. You see I try, me I try. I flop you one flop, me stinking old girl and me pay the whole of the money where your blood clot asks for. Eh? I need my money, no joke. No joke. Girl, me not lie. Right now, I want looking at me cash up and say, send my blood clot money, come give me. Big pussy little girl, who have about this? I don't know who this coach here tell us something about me, but they never tell you good. They never tell us that we can't see him. Big pussy little girl, remember I never did buy out your Ivany why you find me drunk or tabat. And you find me from my life. Cause you hear say me Ivany no problem. And you come, girl, me want my blood clot money. Button teeny bumbo blood clot girl say, hey girl, me want my money. You stinky. You think I play with people? You think I run bumbo blood clot joke? Just make me have my money, please, and thanks. What you mean the last? Who did say them last? You know like a can glance sing a song and find your way about blood clot on you. Anybody ready upon the live with just want something to say me last. You know find yourself? Why you want me to find it for you? Of course Ivany did fucking right. The bitch don't like me. I don't know her. If you're not doing something for me, you're not doing something for me. We're not friends. Bitch, we not friends. Bitch, you need to give me my blood clot money. Rotten back to teeny girl. Me need my money. Hey. Father God, for my birthday. You can't ramp with me. At the JDF, tell you what do see me I that problem. Well, they are going to do. They are going to blood clot no lady. Because of my money you have for me. And if you're not turn up, you should have tell me. I call you today, you should have tell me say you're not turn up. You feel like me pet people. Hey, little dirty blood clot girl. Find my blood clot money. Come place right there so you come pick it up. With your out of the self. Stinking blood clot. Hey. No man not to talk about food no all can you know no messy. No man not wife you know. Hey. My money more. I'm gonna respond me talk any amount of blood clot things. You charge me a price and me tell you say yes. Alright then yeah. You get it 2 times because when you come, me never have the whole light at time. I told you I was gonna go to the bank and I was going to pull it off my card, yeah? And then they said, alright, because you ain't no money worries, little girl like you a star del Sita. Find me blood clot money, give me. You ain't no money worries. You in no money worries. Well, we are going to if you ain't no money worries tonight. Everybody and the mother go hear about this stinking pussy Shae. Shae, me ain't a friend. Me ain't a friend for you ramping me them with it. Find me MO anywhere, blood clot, give me girl. Energizer, boot you up, look as it. I eat me a drink, me ready like Freddy at Halloween. You forgot? Girl, me need my money. You ask me about costume, I'm tell you some blood clot have 2 costumes left. What type of costume them I have? You didn't interested for come, you should have tell me say you nah come. Don't ramp with me Shae and give me money. But do you know you from nowhere, girl? I do not know you from nowhere. Nowhere at all I don't know you from. She there mobile here. Why she not tell me say she not come? Alright then. Don't do that, girl. Just run my money. I'm all of my money you get. Run back that blood clot. And if I take too long to have to run more than that way you take. I'm not in on the joking. Oh. But ask you, how much for do? 10 braces. And you say 20 pieces of chicken. I'm said done. So how comes you not reach on my party? Alright, if you not reach on party when I call it today, why didn't you tell me that, oh, you know what, cheese? I'm tied up. I'm in Montego Bay. You told me, bitch, that you're live in Montego Bay. If you come on my party and you don't come, so cocky shame, me no grow you. I me never hold your hand and cross no blood clot road. So you hear what you do for me, my friend? Make me have my piece of chicken. And it done. It's too bright. I feel you not a name. Remember you not have no name. You come like a blood clot back without label. You want me to tear off the blood clot look at your back here. This is the definition of you, bitch. Don't ramp with me and come give me my money. The problem you want with me? Eh? Shae, me no hold no secret. So we can come for you anytime. Come like it obvious and know who you are ramp with. You not if a blood clot call me and tell me say cancel. Thinking like a girl. You can ramp with me. Eh? You don't hold no secret for me, bitch. So you see anything where the blood clot crowd did I say you have to come talk. Shae, are you this? Shae, this is you. Shae, this is you. This is you, Shae. A bottle without blood clot label. Now ramp with me, girl. Me need my money. You and the crew, everybody, and the mother know you not have no name. I want my money. Me ain't a friend. What the fuck? Me never detest someone be the bestie with you. You see me, I Ivany in a problem, and you are Ivany. I go off on the beef. You come over my life. Me don't even know you. Bitch, I need my money. I'm in a no blood clot joking. But they've not really comment them. She named braces for blood clot, you. Braces for you. I'm glad you never come because the people them scan you dirty blood clot. So you just run my money. People them say them don't want you in their mouth. The woman, lock door. Come lock. So now you see me attack with your outside and fucking bright self. Like me a eat titty, me a suck pussy. Eh? Look like you drop out. Girl, just round up my little piece of butter and make it reach my foot here. And I don't want to wait to see the eat, you see, as of from today to the 23rd. Yeah, because 12 o'clock gone. You see, each day added on from the 20 blood clot 30 at 250 that. Me I get small. I'm in a joking. Girl, just make money reach me. Tomorrow is Monday. Make my money reach me, please and thanks. Make my money reach me. Come in and look friend. My ask, you know, I'm a hairdresser and if somebody come to me and ask me, the dirty so cocky blood clot selector not turn have said, oh, him sitting wet up. And him gone. All him end up not get fee right money. Him forget 12 and me give him 10. Fuck him. Me never not look at him. Yeah. Me talk about Shae. When I pay my money. 2 times she get 12 first. Then she come back and she get 8. That's a $20,000. I call her today. And she say, Shae, what time you reach her? So she said she there mobile here. She go come up, she a money body. Yeah? Now money body not have nothing to do with this. Even though me not afraid of nothing. I'm medium cheese. You hear me I say? Yeah. So If you know you never go come, why your blood clot tell me say, yeah come. Girl, me not beg you. You're not a star. I never did ask you for what's my party. I pay for come the braces. You tell me the price, I'ma pay it. Big pussy like a girl. Make me get my blood clot money. I'm in a joking. Me I got my bed now. And you see by tomorrow you don't have no cash up. Cause me that introduces me can make you get a cash up. And you see you don't have no cash up. Me not have no Zelle. Me not have no PayPal. Money grab my money tomorrow here. Big pussy like a blood clot girl. Come on, look no girl for fuck. I got a prison when me at 14. I'm never fuck no girl. Right through. I got through all of my life. Never do nothing funny. Stinking girl. I want my blood clot money. Me no fuck girl. I want my money. You hear me I tell you? I'm a money my blood clot one. The party was alright because you know what, at the end of the day, even though we don't still have no holy liquor, I enjoy myself. It's my birthday. You get me? I'm not broke. I'm not financially embarrassed at all. You get what I'm saying? So, I just did I enjoy myself. But you see, you know, Shae, when you come in on my blood clot town, and everybody see when they come collect the money, don't even get it twisted. It's the first time I come with Abby. The second time I come with the next Abby. 2 Abby. Don't ramp with me. Make me have my money. I owe them here. Lava call me people. Me I go cut it short. I love you now. Me I go leave you now. Shae to be continue tomorrow. 7 days. And oh shit. 7. What are you talking about? 40 days and 40 nights. 40 dumpling. Carter fight and a right head say it there. Tumble down. We are going on Manuel. We go back stone. I'm gonna ask guys if you have to give me my money. People me love you know. Me I go left for now. People, I'm going. My boss just called. I'm have to go talk to him. Right now my head spinning. My head for coming. Not even remember nobody girl now. It's a girl come to send her money to do her braces. And come to me and say, where the girl there with the braces? Where the girl there with the braces? Stinking girl Shae ramp with me. Nobody feel like say, we got Marky go buy pound. How about it? See my friend? I'm like the internet thing too much. Squaddy, me go for Shae. Me not in a no blood clot joking. Any of you should not pay my money. I'm serious, you know. You see this? This rise so easy. And it rise to you, Shae. Don't fuck your blood clot people. I'm out.